Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is about getting rid of the new ransomware called Lilium. This is the ransomware that may attack many Windows computers today. The ransomware called Lilium encrypts files and then damages them essentially. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles at all. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and other data. All that can be opened easily without any troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Lilium ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and so then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware called Lilium encrypts files and damages them considerably. As a consequence of the ransomware's attack, it is just impossible to use the files anymore. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea, and if people pay the ransom, they simply waste their money without getting the data restored. So this ransomware is called Lilium because it actually appends this Lilium extension to the file names. The ransomware also reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that the ransom should be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the website combocleaner.com. If you cannot access Combo Cleaner through Google Chrome browser, for instance, I recommend you to basically consider trying Internet Explorer browser. Through Internet Explorer browser, download Combo Cleaner through the website combocleaner.com. So go to this website, download the software, install the application, and then start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of infections. So after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner only removes the ransomware and protects the data. It does not decrypt the files. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. So once again, upgrade to Premium, request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And regarding file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about this ransomware and ways to possibly recover your data.